Hey guys, how you doing? Here to introduce you to our brand new Sons of Anarchy mechanics jacket that comes with full embroidered patches on the front and the back. And we're gonna just, go right into it right now. These patches are heavy twill base, exact replicas of the show. The back fills the entire back. Just looks amazing. You have to really see it to get a feel for it. I don't know if I can, if you guys can see, where am I? The quality, the thickness, it's something you have to feel, But very high quality patchwork, embroidered patches sewn directly into the jacket. Amazing. The front one is the Sons of Anarchy here, the logo from the show. So yeah, so that's that. Alright, nice thick quality too, same thing. So yeah, the fit is nice, it's very loose, comfy. Give you an idea. The sleeves, by the way, come with buttons at the end, so you can button them shut if you want. Otherwise, you can just leave them open. Now the sleeves for me, I'm 5'8", and that's apparently a little short for this jacket. So you can see that. I'll put this lower. When I'm standing like this, it's still too long, right? So what I do is I just fold up the cuff right here. I unbutton it, and then I fold up the cuff, as you can see what I did here. And for me, it fits a lot better. That's this side here, so like that. Yeah, when I put my arm up, you can see it lands right where it should. So as you can see, this is how it fits me. And this is where, you can wear it open. The zipper is high quality, so it zips up easy. No problems, no kinks, nothing, doesn't get snags or anything. It's all the way zipped up if you want. Yeah, I'm more of an open, kind of zip it halfway down kind of guy. So that's that. Alright. And if you have any comments or, questions, just leave them in the comment section below. Otherwise, if you like the jacket, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends. Thanks a lot, you guys, and always make sure that you be you, unlimited. Take care.